Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we create Hamster Kombat Flutter application. Now we'll start with create model nav model. Then we write class nav model. Write final widget page, then we write final global key navigator state nav key, then we write nav model required this dot page, then write required this nav key, save. Now we create folder navbar. Then we create file navbar.dart, add information. This information we can download to description in the video. Then we create home screen. Write class home screen extends status widget, add method build, then we add constructor, convert status widget to stateful widget, save. Then we create file main screen. Write class main screen extends status widget, add method build, add constructor, then convert status widget to stateful widget, add variables, add import. Then we write init state, add information, add import, save, update method build, import material, import navbar, open main.dart, remove this information, write main screen, write debug show checked mod banner false, save, add constructor const, save, hot restart. Home screen will write scaffold, open emulator. Now we work with home screen, add variables, then we write background color, colors black, write a bar, and we add body list view, children, save, add up bar, add information, then we add title info, save, open emulator, then we add content info, then we add title content info, then we add count coin content info, and we add space separate numbers, save, then we add scale progress content info, then we add button points, save. Now we add get tab position, create file point.dart, add information, save, add import, add energy content info, save, hot restart, open emulator, create variable timer, add import, write init state, write timer periodic, duration seconds 1, coin plus 140, add set state, write dispose, timer, cancel, save, open emulator, and we can look information. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.